how to sign in to MetLife account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you sign in or log in to your MetLife account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the source field you'll have to search for MetLife login, and from there you'll find the options like login to your account. So simply tap on the option login with your account MetLife. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to see the official login page of MetLife. So from your, you'll have to just provide your username there, and on the other section, you'll have to just provide or confirm with your password. And after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the option login. And after you done this, you'll be able to easily log in or sign in to your MetLife accounts. Or you can also go with the options like if you forgot your username or password, you can as usual go with the option forgot username and forgot password. So this is the easiest and simplest method to sign in or log into your MetLife account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.